Today I will show you how to make a Japanese Kusudama. Your objective for this assignment is to learn the difference between Kusudama and modular origami. You'll fold and assemble a Kusudama. Modular origami is a complete origami structure which is made of small units which are connected without the aid of sewing or gluing. A Kusudama, however, is an origami structure made up of small units which are connected using glue, thread, or some other kind of adhesive. This is a unit origami project, and to start off with, you'll be working with a group of 5 pieces of paper. So you'll need a total of 12 of these units that I'm going to show you how to make, but first let's just work with one piece at a time. This piece of paper that I'm working with is colored on both sides, but if you were using one that wasn't, then you'd want to put the colored side face down. Fold your paper in half diagonally so it looks like a triangle. Bring the corners up to the center point so that you will form something like a square eventually, like this one. Just in case that was confusing to you, I decided to show you one where I've flattened it out so you can see the actual square shape. Next, squash fold each of the sides. Here's one side squash folded, and now both sides are squash folded. Go ahead and fold down the flaps. You'll need to do this one as well. And then you should have something that looks like this. Fold each of these sections in half so that it looks a bit like this one. So it should look like this when you're finished. Apply some glue to one of the edges and pinch the petal closed. When you have your 5 different squares folded into that configuration, then you're ready for the next step. Apply glue to one of the edges and attach the 2 petals together. When I do this, I usually attach 3 and then attach 2 and then attach those 2 groups together like this. So it creates something that looks a bit like a flower. When you have more than one flower completed, you can begin to attach them together. As you can see, I've applied glue to these surfaces so I can wedge that one in place, just like this. And when you're finished, you can put some kind of a ribbon at the top and hang it from the ceiling as a decoration.